here and welcome back to Starbase Wyoming. This week we're going to start with Plume. If you ever wanted to redesign your space, this is a great video to watch, so stay tuned.
Hello. Well, today I'm going to teach you guys how to design your own bedroom. I'll need you to get a ruler, pencil, paper, maybe an eraser, some markers, anything you could think of to make this fun. Okay, so here I have a bedroom that I designed for you. For an example, as you can see in the bedroom, I've incorporated a closet, a bed, an area rug, and even a hamper. I also have where the bedroom door will be and where a couple windows will be. What I have done is I have made, though, every 1 inch of my ruler equal to 2 feet. So I know that every inch that I measured out is going to be 2 feet in my bedroom. Looking at this ruler here, you can see the inch marks. So from 0 to 1 is 1 inch, 1 to 2 is 2 inches, 2 to 3 is 3 inches, and so forth. So each 1 inch in my bedroom design equals 2 feet. So for my bedroom design, I needed to make the bedroom itself. So I just made it simple for you. We did 14 feet wide and 14 feet in length. Basically, one big equal sized square. So what I did was I took my ruler and I lined up the 0 at the first line, and I took it to the 7 inch mark. Now remember, each inch is 2 feet. So what's 7 times 2? 14. So across the top with my ruler, I made it 7 inches wide in reality. But in my bedroom design, it's going to be 14 feet. I did the same thing down the sides and the same thing across the bottom. Again, making everything one equal square. Now my closet here, as you could see through the ruler, says 6 feet wide and 2 feet length. Because again, each inch in my project equals 2 feet, I lined up the ruler to the edge of the closet, taking it to the 3 inch mark. What's 3 times 2? It's 6. Now because 2 feet is 1 inch with our ruler, what I did was I lined up the 0 and it took us to the 1 inch, which makes the closet length 2 feet. My area rug here, same thing. We've got to line our ruler up, 0 at the edge, and because our area rug is 6 feet, then we take it to the 3, because 3 times 2 is 6. Each inch again equals 2 feet. I went ahead and made the area rug the same, 6 feet across, 6 feet in length. So again, it's just a smaller square. Our bedroom window here, as you can see, says 3 feet wide. Well, if 1 inch is 2 feet, then we probably need to do what? We need to add another ½ inch, which would be 1 foot. So there we line up our 0, and you could see that 3 feet wide window equals 1½ inches on the ruler. So I did make a couple windows of the same width. Here and here is where I wanted my windows in my bedroom. Our door up here is also 3 feet wide. So again, if every 1 inch on our ruler is 2 feet, then we need to add another foot by making it a ½ inch on our ruler. So I line up the 0, and again it goes to 1½ That equals 3 feet in my project. Let's go ahead and look at our bed. We've made a bed 6 feet in length and 3 feet across. 3 feet, again, would be 1.5 inches on our ruler. So let's line up the 0. And you'll see that 1.5 inches will make our 3 feet. Our 6 feet in length, we're going to line up our 0, and you'll see it goes to the 3. 3 times 2 again is 6. So our bed is 6 feet long, 3 feet wide. I want you to go ahead and draw your own bedroom designs, and go ahead and put the measurements in your design so that you can get an idea of how big these pieces of furniture are within your bedroom. And make sure to put the measurement of the bedroom as well, like I did on the sides. So for mine, it was 14 feet, 14 feet, 14 feet, and 14 feet. You can do yours however big or however small you want to. Have fun, guys. Well, I hope that taught you something cool, and I hope you have fun with it. So get your rulers out and your markers, paper, whatever you need, and get to designing those bedrooms. Remember, measure everything, your bed, your dresser, hamper, TVs, whatever you decide to put in your bedroom design. Have fun.
Really hope that video inspired you to go ahead and redesign your whole space. I know it did for me. Next, we're going with Rubix, and she's going to talk about chromatography. So if you guys are excited, let's get started.
Hi everyone, it's Rubix again, coming at you. We're going to talk about another forensics lesson. Today we're going to talk about chromatography. So chromatography is something that's used to help solve crimes. It's a process. So what happens is it breaks everything down to the original substance. So like blood, when it's recovered from a crime scene, they'll use it in a lab with these big machines, and they'll break everything down so they're able to see everything that's in that blood down to its original substance. So today we're going to combine chromatography and color theory. So we're going to take these strips of paper towels, and we're going to use 2 colors, and we're going to use the same process of chromatography to see what these colors make. And so I just have a little glass of water, and all you really need to do is to put the very tip of the bottom of the paper towel into the water. You don't need to submerge it. And let's watch the process. I have blue and yellow, and we're going to see what colors these make. And you really only need to hold it in here for about 30 seconds. It's really important that you also use water-soluble markers. If you use permanent markers like Sharpies, you won't get the same effect. So here I used blue and yellow, and as you can see, blue and yellow as the capillary action, which is when the water moves up the paper towel. When the colors are combined, they spread into one another, and you can see the blue and yellow makes green. So I did a bunch of different colors here, and these are the recipes that I used. So you can see with the colors that I used, and these are my examples. So what I would like you to do is just try 2 different markers, draw the lines at the bottom, put the tip into the water, and then just wait 30 seconds, let it dry, and then just see what colors they make. And so again, this is the same as color theory to see color mixing as well as chromatography. So with chromatography, you know, colors like black, it's not a color by itself, but black is made with a bunch of different colors. So they have their own recipes that make up black. And so every company does their own recipes for those colors. But with this, you're able to see what colors like blue and yellow will make green. And these are all the ones that I did, and I'll post it at the very end. But I want you to see what your results are. Have fun with this one, play around with the colors, and see what colors they mix into. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Okay guys, bump its next. Gather your materials. We're going to continue constructing our telescope. And so let's go ahead and get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Bump's Place. Hey, we're getting towards the end of finishing our Hubble telescope. And in the last video, we just put on our little instrument boxes. We attached them to the side of our forward shield on the telescope. And today we are going to go ahead and glue on the top of them. And so we cut these out already. Here's the two pieces. All right, and they're going to go right on top of the little boxes. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the great big one. All right, so I already bent the teeth inward. So I just take a little bit of glue, put that around on those jagged teeth marks. That's finishing up those boxes. And then today we are going to go ahead and continue in our instructions, and we're going to end up putting on this forward door right here. All right, I've already cut it out of my template, and here it is. All right, okay. And what it asks you to do is you're going to fold the two halves together. You're going to put some glue on one of them, press it down. I'd put a book on it, let it dry, all right? But you want to leave these two flaps open. It's almost like a paper clip, all right? We're going to finish up this video today as far as using, remember our dowels? Yeah, we're going to use the silver dowel. Okay, and this is where the solar panels attach to, all right? So that's the one we're going to do in this video. So, you're going to go ahead here and cut out your solar panels. Looks just like that out of the template. Remember scoring along those lines, right? It kind of folds like so. Then it says put some glue. I'm just going to put them on the outside flaps here.
Really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Have a great week and see you next time. Bye!